Hi everyone, this video teaches you how to take out your acrylic and backing board from our larger frames which have the string going both ways. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing is to lay your frame down, face down, like so. Now, if you want to hang your frame portrait, you can simply cut the longer piece of string here and here. That way it'll be nice and easy to take your backing board and your acrylic out. Same goes for if you wanted to hang your frame landscape, then you could cut the portrait string, the shorter piece, here and here. Now, if you want to have the option to hang your frame either portrait or landscape in the future, you'll need to leave the string as it is. To get the backing board and the acrylic out this way, it can be a little tricky, but I'm here to help you work out how to do that. So the first thing you do is get a flat screwdriver if you have one, and just lift up the flexi clips like so. Okay, just high enough so you can get your thumb under there comfortably and lift them all up like that. Then get the backing board, lift it up and push it. Turn it on an angle and push it as far to the top of the frame as you can. So it's hard up against here and in here. Then at the bottom of the backing board, you just move it through like that, and then just give it a little flick and it's out. Then you can just gently draw it down like that and you've got your backing board out. Same goes for acrylic. Now if you have glass in there already, you can just give it a wipe as it is, but with the acrylic you'll need to pull it out so you can peel off the protective brown film. So same goes, lift it up and turn it on a slight angle like this. Make sure you push the bottom up, nice hard up against here. Get the bottom, let's flick it through there and gently ease it out like that. Now with the acrylic, you want to peel off the brown film on each side. So you just got to get your thumb in like so and just peel it back like that. You need to peel it off on each side, front and back, and we have a nice clear acrylic sheet, and then you want to put it back in. So again, just the way you took it out, slowly in like that, on a slight angle, right up to the top. So your acrylic sheet comes right up to here. Just ease it right up, and then you should have enough room there to get it through. If you do struggle with it, you may have to cut the opposite string that you don't need, but you should be okay. Now, you just get your, you'll have to put your image in now, so it goes through, so it's displayed nicely at the front of your frame, and get your backing board and put that in. So exactly the same way, just push it right up to the top, as high as you can go. It's hard up against that. You'll find this string is nice and tight. That means you've gone as high as you can, and then just bring it through like that. And you're done. So then you just push your clips back down like that and you're all done. Now if you run into any more trouble, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. We're happy to help in any way. Thanks a lot.